The New Mexico lifestyle always consisted of wicked burritos if you had a late night. And my friends,
Okay.
today, I'm not gonna make you a New Mexico style burrito. Rough start. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a delicious steak burrito. What's up, everybody? I'm CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is... Anyway, and right over here is Ethan.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up with his fancy vocal rings, this guy?
It's fancy.
Welcome to the show, everybody. Every time the bell rings, find something to sip on. Interactive TV, we're gonna have some fun. You won't want to miss this.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first.
First things first, my friend. New Mexico lifestyle. We've got a key component that cannot
Can you really
be
claim New
neglected.
Mexico?
No, do I claim New Mexico?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was raised there.
Oh, okay.
Dude,
Really?
505 is a thing, bro.
Do you think anybody thinks I'm a failure because I go home to Starlight Night?
Hey, that's a thing. So I've got
Green chili.
green chili, a delicious pot of green
Big
chili. Gonna let that
shocker.
sit there and simmer. Dude, it's like, oh, you're making a breakfast burrito, eggs? What a shocker.
No.
Yes?
Okay. Let
Yeah.
me know in the comments, how often does CJ use green chilies?
Yes, let me know in the comments.
Yeah, a lot, like too much.
No, that is not true.
Wait, you're putting cheese stick in a burrito?
No?
You sure?
You sure about that? Dude, we're doing a steak burrito.
Okay. I'm picking up what you're putting down.
Are you? Because you...
Are you sure? Because you just went through a wall.
Oh, dude, one of the worst lines in any movie ever.
That's right. There's so many great ones, and that one...
Memphis.
It never rains, but it pours.
Terrible.
So bad.
Yeah.
Almost as bad as unobtainium.
No, now, leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Avatar.
That's as creative as they could get. Unobtainium. Because it was hard to obtain.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they used papyrus as the font.
I didn't make up the rules.
Papyrus is probably the worst font there is. Next to like Times New Roman or something like that.
Comic Sans.
Comic Sans.
Thanks,
Oh yeah,
thanks, Aaron.
that's another.
Yeah, Aaron Neville back there.
Aaron, as in AA, Ron? Aaron?
A Rod.
Because it's pronounced Aaron?
Son of a...
As in that Aaron that happens to reside in his house. What?
No. Like,
I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
Aaron with an E, not Aaron with an A.
I got the joke. I was
it was lame.
yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, rough.
So lame, buddy.
Okay. I hate all of you. Bring it. We're gonna come back. Maybe. We'll see. Bacon's done, dude. Pretty much there. Now,
Pretty
Andy,
much.
don't you like your bacon?
I'm a 10.
Yeah, you like it like soft.
Yeah, this is not for me.
What?
Wow.
I'm a 5.
Whoa. You and Hussy, man.
That's
They want a little bend in the bacon.
I don't mind a little bend in the bacon.
Nah, crispy.
Nah. See?
I could have gone
That,
one
like
stage
all
further.
of this is still too cooked, or not cooked enough for you, right?
Yeah. Oh no, that's
Nutty.
good for me.
Well,
Nutty bar over here.
let's get our delicious steak. Move this off to the cool side.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You've got 2 forms of liquid gold cruise down here.
That's what I'm talking about. Finesse, baby.
You know what? Let's mix them.
What? Say what? Beef and bacon fat?
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
All right, you guys hang up there.
I'm hanging.
Let's talk about some hash browns, bro.
Or tater tot.
That too, bro. We're gonna go here
I suppose if you just chop them up, they're hash browns, right?
because that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh.
Yeah. That's surprised you didn't know
That's
that.
a clever name.
Exactly.
Are you talking? Shut up, Richard.
All that yummy flavor going around.
Smells amazing.
I probably put too many tater tots down.
Yeah.
Nope.
No? Okay. Messed up the bacon. Not enough tots though, or not too many.
Not too many.
Not too many. Okay. Dude, we're cruising along here.
You wanted this.
Cruising for a bruising.
It's okay. You're okay. Get up.
Those are lovely tomatoes.
Thank you.
I like the tricolor.
Thank you.
I just sneak him in the corner.
Yeah. Whoa.
Nobody puts baby in the corner.
Okay, but you do put baby tomatoes in the corner.
Oh!
Okay, yeah, yep. CJ for the win. CJ, thank you very much. All right, dude, we're at another stopping point.
Why?
I'm gonna season these here in a little bit, but we gotta let that cook.
Okay.
You know what? Just while we're over here. Sorry. Ooh, that little blistering going on. We've also, that beef fat.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take advantage of it using my bins. Jasmine rice here. We're gonna make some cilantro lime rice to go up inside of our burritos.
All right. Is this a New Mexico classic?
No, it's not. There's really nothing New Mexico about this except that I lived in New Mexico for most of my life, and I love green chili. What? Did you see that?
New Mexican jumping right.
Jumping chimney.
It just cruised right past my face. Hey Ethan, remember when I said I wasn't gonna need any water earlier?
Yeah, I kinda
and I 100% doing it right now.
I know your butt.
Whoa!
I know your body. All right, got a little bit of salt.
Dude, this really is jumping.
Yeah, really, like
Crisscross will make you.
jump.
Daddy Mac will make you.
Jump. Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah. See, glad I turned that down to low. All right, we're gonna.
Wow! What is
We got
going
tomatoes,
on?
rice. We got our hash browns in form of tater tots, beef, stew.
Golly.
Let's go. Hurry.
Hurry what?
All right.
This
coming
is
back in a
what was
little bit.
priority?
Yeah, well, that needed to cook for a minute. We'll be back when it's time to cook the eggs. It's a cilantro lime rice. It's that simple. Dude, you got some fresh lime juice, you got some chopped cilantro, toss it all around. Don't
So
forget,
it's not just a clever name?
it is
then?
not just a clever name. Don't forget to season your tomatoes. We are definitely at that point. We've got some blistering, they've softened up. Dude, these are gonna
Nice.
pop and be delicious little cherry bombs. Also toss around our tater tots, and let's put some eggs, make some room for some eggs. Huevos, my man. And these eggs, they need some cheese, because why not, right? I mean, because it's awesome. Stir your green chili, and yeah, we're ready to build, dude. For this monster, we need a monster tortilla. Now, build it how you want. We've got the steak, we've got eggs, we've got some tots.
Get all the stuff.
All the stuff. We got that awesome cilantro lime rice and tomatoes.
Chop the tots up. You just put them in there like
I just
that?
decided I'm gonna just flatten them out in there. Now, of course, don't forget some bacon, some cheese, loaded up with green chili.
Good Lord.
And then grab each side, fold it in, and then tighten up that bad boy. Now, we're gonna put this back on the griddle to warm up, so I recommend getting a little bit of cheese. Kind of acts as a glue right here on the end when you fold it over. That way, when you put it back on the Blackstone,
It's a handy
it
little
seals
trick.
it seals everything up. Then you can like rotate them every now and then when you start to see that golden color.
How many are you making? 3?
Well, I've got 3.
that makes sense.
Yeah, perfectly. And let's get these over here to the cutting board. Slice one open, dude.
It's a monster. You weren't kidding.
This is a beast. Plate it how you like. I'm
You
gonna
like
throw
all
this.
that rice in there?
Yeah, dude, I love it. It's a
Okay.
great filling. You could have done beans, but I didn't want to do beans.
Well, I'm glad you didn't do beans.
Me too. Dude, fully loaded burritos.
Fully, man.
Fully, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yo.
This is not New Mexico authentic by any means, but I mean, come on.
It's pretty good looking.
Who's not gonna? I'm gonna try this one because I can see all that green chili
Which one has the least amount of green chili?
and the tomatoes
That's the one
and
I'll
all
try.
the goods. All right, down she goes.
Bottoms up. Ooh, tomato came out.
Mm.
Oh, got him.
No bonus bite.
You must have been so hungry.
Top burrito I've ever had.
Top burrito? Top 10? Or
Top 10.
not
number
top
10.
number 1?
Number 1, the best.
Wait, number 10 or number 1?
Which one is the best?
1, clearly.
Freaking idiot.
It's only missing one thing,
What's it missing?
and it's not necessarily New Mexico.
That's whatever. You didn't
Dude.
actually have that in your pocket. You set that up.
What are you talking about? I always have these. in
You
my
already
pocket.
read the comment section that this is gross.
Just load it down too.
Nothing like making your food taste like Taco Bell hot sauce.
If only I had more. I only had the one though.
You want mild or hot?
Well, I don't want to dip into your reserves.
You guys suck.
I'll do a mild, but I could probably use like a hot as a combo with it.
You guys suck.
I don't know. Maybe. Oh. Thank you, sir.
secret sauce.
This is secret sauce. I didn't even get to this all that steak goodness yet.
Ruin it. Ruined it.
With or without the Taco Bell hot sauce, which, let me know in the comments. Freaking naysayer over here. How'd we do? Would you try it? I would, and I did, and I love it. But speaking of comments, we've arrived. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Glad you made it. Glad you stuck around. This is the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you write it,
we read it.
That's right. And then we share it for everybody to laugh with and maybe cry with. And
a few tears.
Certainly
Mostly
often
on
make
this
fun
side
of
of the
Ethan.
table. Often?
Not really. He's the cutie on the set.
He's such a... What the...
I don't know. That guy hasn't had a date on in 500 days.
Of summer?
Of Daytona.
Oh, I didn't even. Okay, hey CJ, did you know?
Start your engine!
All right, okay. Well, did you know that there's only been one co-racer in the whole history of NASCAR? It happened in the 1950s. The manager of one guy, he was in a pet shop, saw a rhesus monkey named Jocko. His racer his last name was Flacco, so he's like, I've gotten a great idea. So he bought the monkey. They built out a little uniform for him. He would sit in the co-pilot during races. He'd kind of throw off other competitors and everything. It was good for a few races, and then eventually the monkey got out. And there's a little hatch that they look at the tires. He saw the driver open that, so the monkey got out, opened that, looked down, a rock shot up and hit him in the head, and then he went crazy. Driver had to come to the pit stop, throw the monkey out, and then they said that after that event, the monkey was never really the same, so they ended up euthanizing him.
That's where they get the phrase, don't throw the monkey out.
Monkey business? No monkey business?
What a horrible ending to that story.
Ah, thanks, Ethan. Here's to the fallen friend.
I'm really off.
I think a rock hit him in the head.
Time to euthanize. All right, this one comes in from Pelly Guy.
Pelly Guy.
Pelly Guy says, 6 minutes in and I'm already annoyed with the added video references. Anyone else?
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. I'm
Pelly
surprised
Guy.
the guy stuck around for 6 minutes, to be honest with you.
See ya, Pelly Guy.
Lady Guy. Okay, this is good. This is from Ben Nickerson.
Hey, Ben.
Ben says, hey, CJ, why is Nate such a poor loser?
See ya, Ben.
Maybe he should get an assistant. It might help his cooking.
Oh, that's true. I'm hiring.
Nah.
I'm reading resumes right now. Except I never learned to read.
He's a sore loser.
Is that true?
Yes, everything except the reading part.
All right, so this comes in from Dr. Daniel Piscini.
Dr. Deludo? Dr. Doolittle?
Nope. Dr. Daniel Piscini, good friend of mine. He says, CJ, I think the sandwich looks amazing and delicious, but my 5-year-old daughter loved the Lord of the Ring clips the most.
Nice.
So this was a
5
win
years old?
on multiple fronts. Yep.
Wow.
Yeah. Soren. Her name is Soren.
Soren?
Yep. Spelled with the O, spelled with the little line in it.
What?
Because they wanted to make it really difficult for her for the rest of her life.
She's like an elven princess.
Way to go, Doc.
It's like Arwen.
Yo, Doc!
That was pretty good.
I've never done that before. All right, so this is Charisma Kills TV.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Says, CJ, clean your darn cutting board.
What?
You rile up my food safety OCD training like a like a baseball bat to a wasp nest. Love your show, dude. Just give me this one thing.
What was wrong with your cutting board?
I don't know.
You gotta clean your cutting board, Marty.
Whoa.
I've never done that one. It's pretty good.
Yo, Doc. I don't. We.
This is a broccoli burrito.
No, it's yo, Doc. That was Christopher Walken. This one comes in from Kim Mills.
Hey, Kim.
Kim says, miss CJ pulling out the Taco Bell sauce packets from his pockets. Those were the days. I bought him some Taco Bell hot sauce. Pool floats. Yep. That was,
Well, there's other gross people in the world.
Whoa! I'm sorry, Kim. I don't know what he's referring to.
Don't encourage
Cheers.
this type of behavior, Kim.
To the Taco Bell hot sauce. This one comes in from the Timinator.
The Timinator.
The Timinator. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Doc. Says, sweet onions are the only onions I buy. I would use peanut oil for the fry because it doesn't take on the flavor or smell of what's been fried.
Okay.
So you can strain it and pour it back in the bottle and use it again. Edit. Nobody cuts egg rolls for serving. And yet I did. And someone would say...
You gotta show the goods.
Some might say you don't cut burritos. And yet, I did.
Most of the time they do, don't they?
I don't know.
I haven't bought a burrito in a long time.
It's been a long time since
Next time I go to
burrito.
Taco Bell, I won't.
Like a... Buy a burrito or go to Taco Bell?
Yes.
Either way, I had to show what's going on inside.
Yeah.
Like today, I could have just handed you a burrito and said, I promise you it's delicious, you're going to love it. But no.
It's like a magician.
I decided to prove it to you.
You want to know the rabbit's in the hat.
And there it is. And that, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode making the most delicious, most amazing steak
Well, the number
burritos.
10 of top 10s of your life.
The number 1. The boys housed through their burritos. My man in blue over there said he loved it.
What the?
Love to say a special shout out to my boy David from the FCC. Sent me a custom mat. Oh.
Had to clean my feet off. Had Taco Bell hot sauce on it.
Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. Also go to griddlenation.com for all kinds of cool swag and shirts and stickers and all the things cool. Let me know if you want to throw something on the OG board. Hit me up, slide into my DMs, and I'll give you an address. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, this is CJ's first cooking show.
That it is.
Where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right. We have a good time. Do a little boot scoop boogie over there on
your face.
On my face. That didn't quite go as I planned. Bye. I was gonna do Marty saying bye, but nope.